In this video we've got an important topic to discuss that could really make a difference in your life when facing legal challenges. If you're in need of a trial lawyer but don't know where to start, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to find a good trial lawyer who can represent your interests effectively. So, let's dive right in. Section 1: The importance of a good trial lawyer. Before we get into the details, let's talk about why finding a good trial lawyer is so crucial. When you're facing a legal battle, having the right lawyer by your side can significantly impact the outcome of your case. A skilled trial lawyer will have the expertise to navigate the complex legal system, build a strong case, and advocate for your rights in the courtroom. Section 2: Determining your specific needs. The first step in finding a good trial lawyer is to assess your specific needs. Ask yourself, what type of case do you have? Is it a civil matter like personal injury or contract dispute, or a criminal case? Each specialization requires different skills and expertise. Once you've identified the area of law your case falls under, you can narrow down your search to lawyers who focus on that specific area. Section 3: Researching potential trial lawyers. Now that you know what kind of lawyer you need, it's time to start your research. Here are some ways to find potential trial lawyers. 1. Referrals. Ask friends, family, or colleagues if they've had positive experiences with trial lawyers. Personal recommendations can be valuable. 2. Bar association. Check your local or state bar association's website for a list of qualified trial lawyers in your area. 3. Online directories. Utilize online legal directories that allow you to search for lawyers based on practice areas and reviews. 4. Online reviews. Read reviews from past clients on various platforms to gauge a lawyer's reputation and track record. Remember, having a list of potential lawyers is just the first step. You'll want to further vet them to find the best match. Section 4: Vetting potential trial lawyers. Vetting potential trial lawyers is essential to ensure you're making the right choice. Here's what you should do. 1. Check experience. Look for a lawyer with substantial experience handling cases similar to yours. Experience in the courtroom can make a significant difference. 2. Credentials. Verify the lawyer's credentials, education, and certifications to ensure they are qualified to handle your case. 3. Reviews and testimonials. Read online reviews and testimonials from past clients. Look for patterns of positive feedback and success stories. 4. Consultations. Schedule consultations with a few lawyers from your list. Most lawyers offer initial consultations either for free or at a minimal cost. Use this opportunity to ask questions, understand their approach, and assess their communication style. 5. Fee structure. Inquire about the lawyer's fee structure upfront to ensure it aligns with your budget. Section 5: Asking the right questions during consultations. During your consultations, make sure to ask the right questions to gauge whether the lawyer is a good fit for your case. Here are some essential questions to ask. 1. How much experience do you have with cases like mine? 2. What is your success rate in handling similar cases? 3. How do you plan to approach my case? 4. How will we communicate and stay updated throughout the process? 5. What are the potential outcomes of my case? 6. What is your fee structure, and are there any additional costs I should be aware of? Take notes during these meetings to help you compare the lawyers later on. Conclusion: finding a good trial lawyer may take some time and effort, but it's a crucial investment in your legal success. Remember to assess your specific needs, research potential lawyers, and thoroughly vet them through consultations. Don't rush the decision-making process. Take your time to find the right person to represent you in court.